So I'm riding the hell out of the Surron, and the bash plate, it's absolutely destroyed. And I'm trying to protect the motor and all the components that come on it. So I finally found on Amazon one that looks like it can handle me. I needed something really strong, and this is what I got. It has protection on both sides and good steel. For those interested, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the video. It was designed for Surron or Segway, so it should just slide in here. But we have to take the original one out first. 2 Allen bolts need to be removed on each side, and then the new one is going to go in. This installation should be really easy. So this, you just unscrew them. Same thing. With the bolts out, this heat plate should come off. This is how they look like. This is the original one, made out of some kind of like aluminum. This one is steel. You have to transfer this little pieces to the new one. This is what holds everything together. These pieces have to go here. You just slide them off. Also, if you want this protection, it won't hurt if you remove it and you put it in the new skid plate. This is to protect the motor from impacts. So this wouldn't hurt if you transfer it. This skid plate, they made this alignment easier to put on. You see that there's like a room for it, so you can move it left to right. So first step, I've aligned the bottom. You start with the bottom, and I got the first bolt in here, and now it's just grabbing, you see? But don't get it all tight because you still need to adjust it. So just put it halfway through. Now I'm on the left side, and I need to adjust it over here. So I'm going to push this one in, and then with a screwdriver, redirect that little clip so it's aligning with the actual bolt. Right now you see it's aligned, so now I'm going to take the bolt and just slide it through, and there it is. It grabbed. Now here's the trick. Once the slider is in, again you have to align it with your skid plate, and it pulls a little bit, and then get your bolt and grab the thread on the other side. You work better if you have an Allen wrench in the bolt so you could direct it, you see? It just grabbed right now. But let it loose because you still have to work on the other side. And now this is the last side. As you can see, this clip is flexible. I think it's aligned properly, to be very honest with you. I don't have to do much. Look at this. And it's in. Wow, that's perfect. Perfect alignment. Now just get them all tight. Okay, and on the right side, now the key points is that it offers you protection here on the side too, which is pretty nice. Also protects your wires. You see these little wires over here? Protects your wires, and it still fits the motor mount guard over there. So there's like a motor mount over there that was an old plate. I took it out and put it over here. So if you have a big impact over here, it still protects the motor that way. On the left side, you have full protection over this part over here where the bottom of the battery is. You have the motor mount still in there, and then you have protection over this part over here where you have your belt. So if you have to do any work on your belt, yes, you'll have to take the skid plate off, which before you didn't have to, but then it protects this part if you hit it really, really hard. So there you have it. Awesome plate for the Surron. Absolutely awesome. For those people interested, as I said in the beginning of the video, there will be a link at the bottom of it for it. Thanks for watching. This is proper single track on a bike that gets away with it, because it's a dirt bike at the end of the day.